Welcome back, students. I hope that you have understand the division method of finding SCF and also prime factorization. So you have completed all the questions from 1 to 18. Let's move on the next question, that is show that the following pairs are co-prime. So first we have to understand what do you mean by co-prime numbers, right? What do you mean by co-prime numbers? So the co-prime numbers are if we have find the factors of that numbers by division method and we get their SCF 1, then we can say they are co-prime, right? So let's do it first and try to see that. Yeah, for that I have taken the two numbers 847 and 1014, right? This is the question number 24. So what I am going to do that I will divide it by division method to find the SCF, and at last I will check that is the SCF is 1. Okay, so first I will do the simple division. So 847 1s are 847, right? So what I will do, so I will take 847 1s are. So 847 from the 1014, because if you will take 847 to the, it will cross 1014. So 14 minus 7 7, 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 8 1, 1 minus 1 0. So it is 167. So my this step division is over. Now I will use this remainder as a divisor and this divisor 847 as a dividend, right? So now we have to think about that 167 how many will come nearest to 847, right? So if you remember, I have told you the one trick that last digit of both the divisor and dividend we have to check for that. So here is 7. So you know that 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, right? So these are the tricks you can reach the required number easily, or otherwise you can round up it. Suppose I am taking it 200 because it nearest to 200. So 2 5s are 10. So it is less than 200. So 167 5s are maybe somewhere nearest to 847. Let's check. 7 5s are 35, 5 3, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 3 33, and 5 1s are 5. Look at here, 835 I got. How many is 5s are 835, which is nearer to. So in this way we can guess any number of a bigger table that you worry more. So 7 minus 5 2 4 3 1 and 0. Now this step division is also over. Again we are repeating, right? So I will take this 12 as a divisor and 167, which is previous divisor, as a dividend. Now you everyone know that what is the table of 12, so we can divide it. Now let's take 12 and 16 from here, because 16 is greater than 12. So 12 ones are 12 minus 4 47, right? I have taken 7 down. Now 12, how many are nearest to 47? So 12 3s are 36. So I will write 3 36 minus. So 47 minus 36, it is 11. Now again I will take 11 as a divisor and 12 as a dividend. Again we will divide. So what we will get? So we will get 11 ones are 11, right? So we will get 1 is left, right? Now you will divide by 1 to the previous divisor, that is 11. There is a less space, I will take here. So 11 1. So you know that 11 ones are 11, right? Either you can take 1 by 1 or you can do simultaneously. 11 1 ones are 1, right? Here 0, sorry, here 0, and this 1 comes again, so I will take again 1, right? So last 0 I got. So what is my last divisor? Last divisor is 1. So what is my SCF? I will take here SCF is 1, and because of this 1 I will say that both 847 and 1014 are co-prime, right? Co-prime. So I hope that you will get understood all the steps that we have yesterday we have learned, the division method steps. And with that also, the important thing we have to keep in mind, their SCF should be 1. And while doing the division, guess the number properly by using the tricks I have given, by guessing the last digit or rounding it up. So you will not face any difficulty while solving. So I hope that you will solve the question from question 19 till question number 24 without any hesitation or any problem, right? So thank you.